Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good and I hope everyone healthy and happiness. And today I'm going to cook the chicken soup with the mushroom, guys. This is the whole chicken. I already cut it pieces. I'm going to cook it with the mushroom, and for the spices I'm going to use 10 pieces of garlic and 6 pieces of red onions and 1 pieces of candle nut, some of ginger, some of lemongrass, 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, and some of galangal, and a little bit of nutmeg. And now I'm going to blend all the spices. I'm going to add half teaspoon white pepper, teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon of turmeric. And for the galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaf, you don't have to blend these spices, guys. Just put it on the soup just like that, okay? I'm going to blend all the spices now. Okay, it's good enough. And now I'm going to saute all the spices first. Going to add tablespoon of salt, teaspoon of beef flavor, and half teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to saute a little bit first, and then I'm going to put the oil. I'm going to put some oil right now. And I like to saute all the spices a little bit longer, guys, to make soup taste good. And now I'm going to put all the chicken in. Mix it the chicken a little bit first. Cover it. Cook it for 5 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm going to mix it a little bit first. I'm going to add 2.5 bowls of water. Mix it a little bit and cover it. I'm using middle heat, guys, and cook it for 25 minutes, okay? Okay, the chicken already cooked right now. I put the mushroom at the end. And now I'm going to put all the mushroom in. Cook the mushroom for 2 minutes, guys. Okay, all done. I'm going to get some right now. I'm going to put a little bit of celery on my soup. And a little bit of green onions. I like to eat chicken soup with the rice noodle, guys. This is rice noodle. And let me mix it first because I just put lamb on it. Let me try the chicken first. It tastes super delicious, guys. Let me try one more. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much, guys, for your sub, for your love and support. I really appreciate that, for you supporting my channel. And I love you all, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.